Lin Rolei went to class 6 to find Jie Yuhan, but someone informed her that Jie Yuhan had gone to swimming training. Lin Rolei then turned around and headed to the swimming pool. Wang Xiaoyu saw how angry Lin Rolei was and quickly told Fan Yuan. Fan Yuan then brought Zhang Roxy and Xiaomi along. Xie Yuhan had just come out of the swimming pool when Lin Rolei grabbed her and demanded to know why she had exposed her school registration. As Fan Yuan and Zhang Roxy arrived, Lin Rolei pretended that Xie Yuhan had pushed her into the pool. Fan Yuan rushed to save her, and Liu Dayu, who was swimming at the time, saw Lin Rolei fall into the pool herself. Realizing that Xie Yuhan had never pushed her, Lin Rolei was taken to the infirmary by Fan Yuan and Xiami. Xie Yuhan, feeling wronged, couldn't help but start crying. Liu Dayu sat next to her and comforted her, explaining that he had once seen Lin Rolei as a goddess but had now seen her true colors. During the break, Fan Yuan returned home, and his mother told him that arrangements for his study abroad were already in place, and all he needed to do was focus on his studies. Zhang Roxy finished his art exam class and remembered that Xiami's birthday was in 2 days. He went to Xiami's favorite milk tea shop to learn how to make the shop's signature drink. The shop owner, hesitant to hire a part time worker, agreed when Zhang Roxy offered to work for free. At midnight, Zhang Roxy was the first to call Xiami to wish her a happy birthday. While they were talking, they suddenly heard the sound of glass breaking from the living room. He quickly hung up and rushed out to check, finding that his mother was experiencing severe chest pain. Zhang Roxy was about to call his father to come home, but his mother reassured him that it was fine and that she just needed to rest for a while. The next day, Fan Yuan prepared a glass jar with wish papers to give to Xiami for her birthday. He planned to give it to her in the study room. However, when the teacher suddenly called Fan Yuan to the office, Lin Rolei took the opportunity to put the glass jar into her own bag. When Fan Yuan returned and couldn't find the jar, he started asking everyone. Lin Rolei claimed she was helping to search for it and then left the classroom with her bag. Xiami asked Zhang Roxy for her birthday gift, and Zhang Roxy told her to wait for 10 minutes. He then ran out of the classroom. Fan Yuan, still searching for the glass jar, couldn't find it, while Xiami waited for a long time but still didn't see him. When Zhang Roxy returned to the classroom and noticed Xiami wasn't there, he called her. Xiami, seeing that Fan Yuan hadn't arrived at the study room yet, left early. Fan Yuan, unable to find the glass jar, went to buy another one. By the time he returned to the study room, Xiami had already left. Zhang Roxy took Xiami to the movie screening room, where he played a video he had specially edited using photos of Xiami. Xiami was very surprised, realizing that Zhang Roxy had secretly taken many photos of her. He then brought out a cup of homemade milk tea, making Xiami even happier. Meanwhile, Lin Rolei, carrying Fan Yuan's glass jar, reached the school gate when she was stopped by Lin Jinlong. He grabbed her bag, searched through her wallet, and smashed the glass jar Lin Rolei was holding. He then threatened her that if she reported him to the school again, he would expose even more of her secrets. It was at this moment that Lin Rolei realized she had wrongfully blamed Xie Yuhan. After Lin Jinlong left, Lin Rolei picked up Fan Yuan's gift with her injured hand. Tian Jarong discovered that her student card often had insufficient funds, so she went to the administration office to print the transaction details. She found that Lin Rolei had secretly used her card to buy food and take showers. It was the same situation with Wang Xiaoyu's face cream, which had decreased because Lin Rolei had secretly used it. When Xiami and Zhang Roxy entered the classroom, they overheard their classmates discussing it. The same situation was happening in class 1. Lin Rolei explained that she hadn't stolen anything, but one girl claimed to have seen her putting the glass jar in her bag. Liu Dayu also spoke up, revealing that Xie Yuhan had been wrongfully accused in the swimming pool incident. In an instant, Lin Rolei became the target of everyone's anger.